So the question was, do you think money can solve the problem of gender equality? Okay. So we had you in 8 groups. Some groups were very good, talking, chatting. Some groups I went to and everything was black and everybody's microphone was off, but I hope that you managed to talk. Okay, so let's call on the different leaders which we chose as we went around. Okay, so the first group, room 1, was Chizuru. Chizuru, do you want to turn your camera on and tell us what you talked about?
In my group, I can't discuss one person, so she said people can solve the money. For example, their trial. And in my opinion, I don't think money can solve the problem because we have stereotype, bias, and traditional. So that's why we can't. And we should raise our voice or understand current situation, each person, not money, in my opinion.
That was very good, Chizuru.
Great. Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Sure.
Can you give some example of stereotypes?
Oh, stereotypes. So, for example, the color woman is, for example, woman is pink, and girl is pink and boy and blue, or
okay. Right. This is fantastic. Yeah. So this is a fantastic point that, so raising awareness, raising voice is very important. It's a fantastic point. Thank you very much. Yes.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, that was really good. Well done. Wow, you put pressure on all the other people now. You did such a good job there, Chizuru. Okay, so in the next group we had Asuka Haishi. Asuka, do you want to pop up and report what you said?
Malcolm.
Yeah?
Asuka's bad connection.
Oh, really? Okay. How about you, Aoi? Can you talk for your group?
Very short. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
because feelings are important each other.
So the relationship between people is important, not just money. Is that what you mean? Okay, Aoi, I'll let you off because you suddenly became the leader. Okay, thank you, Aoi, for trying. Okay. Okay, so let's jump over to room 3 then, where Rio.
Okay.
Yeah.
Our answer is no. Because we think the gender equality problems shouldn't solved by money. Like, it's morally we shouldn't. Each person should understand the situation and the problems, and we have to deal with the problem in entire society. So money doesn't make the problems better. It's our opinion. Thank you.
That's really good, Rio. Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, come back, Rio. Don't run away yet.
Can you give some examples in Japan about some problems that you say? You say, yeah, we have to solve the problem. So in Japan, what kind of problem do you see?
In Japan, we have a gender inequality problem in the company. So for example, like women can't continue work after women have child. It's difficult to go back to job. And like in the past, many men didn't understand about it. So like entire company have to cooperate with the problem, and like all people have to understand and respect each other and cooperate. Is that okay?
Yes, it's
Really
wonderful.
good. That's really good, Ria.
Yeah,
Thank
very,
you.
and then good suggestion also. Yeah, good. Not
Uh,
have
th-
mutual respect, cooperation. Really good suggestion. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So Rio, when you get your job in the future and you move into a company, it's your responsibility to change the company, okay?
Okay.
Big target for you. Okay, thanks, Ria. Really good.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's go over to room 4 then, where Mimi. How you doing, Mimi? Are you around?
Hi.
Okay. Do you want to turn your camera on?
Okay. Just a second.
Sure. I think you're in the computer lab, aren't you? Yeah, there you are.
Okay. In my group, discrimination has been continuing for a long time. So this thinking can change with ease. So and second, if people make like this system doesn't, if people make like this system, the people's mind, people's thinking, how to 考え方 thinking doesn't people's thinking doesn't change our
Their mind.
doesn't change.
Yeah, yeah. Like attitudes, people's attitudes and way of thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Okay, good, Mimi. Very good.
Can I ask you also, can you give some example of discrimination you find?
Okay. And so, for example, differences salary wage between male and female, male and female とかとかじゃない。なんだろう。あ、あ、育休産休ってなんて言うっけ？あ、holiday for raising their own child is if women want to take a holiday for raising their own child, it might be very it might be get wronger than men. But if men want to take a holiday for raising child, they might, they can't, maybe they can't get enough.
I think
Important. Yeah, that's a very important point. Yeah, because maternity leave, the mother's leave for having child, yeah, is like, so they women take, but that can also lead to discrimination. But then when the father want to take paternity leave, so the father taking leave to raise children, and then some companies really want to discourage that, and then they get demoted or their salary get cut, or like they face more discrimination than women. Yeah, so this is a very big issue. Yeah, so very important point. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
yes, I remember reading somewhere that Japan is #1 in the world for the length of time men can take for paternity leave. But I don't know any man who has taken paternity leave when they've had a baby.
Because men get punished before taking it. So that's the poor men, they are not able to take.
Yeah, I want to take. Okay, let's move on to room 5 then. That's Yuria.
Hi.
There you are. Hi, Yuria.
Hi. And we think money cannot solve the problem of gender equality. If we can solve it, we've already done it. So, but it would be helpful if we donate to some groups or organization to solve the gender equality. So money doesn't solve the problem, but it would be helpful. That's our opinion.
Okay, okay, that's very good. Yeah. So how is money helpful to achieve gender equality?
Good question.
Hmm.
How
Hmm. How is it?
sorry, how is it?
How is money useful? Because you said that not having money is useful.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
how?
So I have seen that some groups on Instagram to solve the problem. So if we can donate to the group, we can helpful.
Mm-hmm.
Can be helpful.
That's very good. Yeah. So because some things money can solve. For example, in Thailand, one of the reasons why women do not have to spend so much time on household work is because they hire other people. So they have money, so they hire other people to do it for them, so they don't have to do. Yeah. So in that sense, it alleviates. Yeah. It removes the problem for women. Yeah. So you are right. Yeah. So sometimes money can help. No. Yeah. So very good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good. Great.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll jump over to the next group then. Fumina. Thanks, Yuria. Good job. Fumina.
Should I camera turn on?
Yeah. We want to see
Okay.
we want to see your nice face.
No. um, my Zoom connection is a little bad today, so I can hear some other students' opinions. So, can I share my opinion?
Sure.
I don't think so. I think even if women can make money, I think there is no time to spend. There is no time to spend for hobby. So I think money. I think money can solve these problems of gender equality.
Can solve.
Can?
Can't. Okay.
Can't.
Okay.
Right. So that again, this is a very important point that is raised. Yeah, there's no time for hobby. Yeah, because when we talk about poverty, yeah, we don't normally talk about no money. Yeah, no money poverty. Yeah, but then actually, women are time poverty. Women do not have time. Yeah, so because they have to do this, they have to do that. So many studies show that women are also time poverty. Yeah, so money cannot save help this time poverty. You need time. That's a very important point. Very good. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.